Here we are, tapping maple trees in Wisconsin. It's sunny out today, as you can see, squinting my eyes. It's so bright. The snow. It's supposed to get up to the 40s this week during the day, below freezing at night. So that's perfect weather for making tapping maple trees, because you want it above freezing during the day, below freezing at night. That gets the special maple juices to flow. What we got here is 2 buckets tapped already on these giant maple trees. I don't even know how old these things are, really old. And we're gonna do a few more. And hopefully we get some sap. And then what you gotta do is you have to boil that sap. If you're trying to do it on your stove, you're gonna spend like $500 in fuel trying to boil your sap. That's why maple syrup costs so much. We're going to do it outdoors using wood, and we're probably not even going to boil it all the way down to sap this year, because I don't have time for that. We're probably just going to do it down to maple juice, like lemonade. We'll see, and then we can drink it, put it in our coffee, put it in our cereal. Maple juice. We're going to make some maple juice. There, we got some snowmen happening. All right, maple syrup in Wisconsin. Okay, stainless steel. These will last longer. So then afterwards, when we're done, I'll grab them with the hammer right there. And boom. This part's not going on so easily. There we go.
There's a lot of syrup coming out. Yeah. Bucket's full already. Wow.
Okay, they'll have to do for now. Hopefully we'll have to check on it. That didn't go on very easily. Okay. Feed this over to here. And then maybe cut it at the bottom there. Right there. There we are, we got one. Doing some more.